Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the CPM platform and pulling the campaign window you care about. Make sure the date range covers launch through current. Next, load core metrics, impressions, clicks, conversions, and revenue, because you'll need them to calculate effective CPM and contribution. Once done, use the search or tag filters to show creatives or line items with the word gift or an equivalent tag. This immediately narrows the dataset, so you can start measuring rather than guessing. You now dig into the middle of the workflow. Compute and compare effective CPM, CTR, and conversion rate for each gift creative, because eCPM tells you cost efficiency, while CTR and conversions show engagement and value. Then segment results by placement, audience cohort, device type, and ad frequency to isolate where gifts perform best. Also run a time series view to detect launch spikes or gradual trends. This helps you understand if performance is persistent or one-off, so you can decide whether to scale or refine. You finish by making a clear decision. Shift budget toward placements and audiences where the gift creative yields the best eCPM-adjusted ROI, and duplicate or tag winners for controlled A/B tests. Implement frequency caps or creative rotations to prevent fatigue, and monitor conversion windows to validate attribution. If performance degrades, one key troubleshooting tip: verify tracking pixels and attribution windows first. Misattributed conversions or blocked scripts are the most common reasons metrics suddenly change.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.